Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, teacher.
Okay, now I'm Teacher D and I'm going to have your IELTS speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, now part one is all about yourself, your home, studies, and other familiar topics. Now, could you please describe yourself?
My name is Harry. I'm 13 years old and now I'm studying at Jolly Secondary School.
Okay, now, could you please talk about your school?
My school have over 1,000 students, have 5 row of house, and many teachers. They are kind and friendly.
Good. And do you enjoy being a student?
Yes.
Okay, and now let's talk about jewelry. Harry, what type of jewelry do you like best? Let me repeat. What type of jewelry do you like best?
I think it's ring because when I wear it, I feel cool, and I think it's the best of thing have valuable with me.
It's for you. It is the most valuable thing for you.
Yeah.
Okay. When do people like to give jewelry in your country?
It's on birthday or some days have something special.
Okay. And have you ever given jewelry to someone as a gift?
No.
Not yet. Okay. Now let's proceed with part two. Harry, for this part, you're going to describe an interesting TV program you watched about a science topic. You should say what science topic this TV program was about, when you saw this TV program, what you learned from this TV program about a science topic, and explain why you found this TV program interesting. Okay? Now, here is a pen and a paper and the copy of the questions for you to take down notes, and you will be given 1 minute to prepare. Start now. Time's up. Now you will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Start when you're ready.
Um, I think the best of science topic I watch is how to mix two things together in science room. I watch it on my birthday and with friend because my friend is a person who really loves science and do it. Um, it's I can learn how to do science safety and know how to mix two things together in science room because it can help me to know what thing is dangerous and something like it. I like it because it gives me many experience, happy and with my friend. Also, with my teacher, who can help me to do this. Yes.
Okay, so since you have learned a lot from the TV program that you watched, were you able to apply it in your classroom? Have you ever done experiment in your school?
Yes.
Okay, and did you use what you learned from the TV?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Now, moving on to discussion topics, let me ask you some questions related to part two. Harry, how interested are most people in your country in science?
People in my country really love science because when they use science, they can they can relax with TV or mobile phone, and after it, they can use a machine, washing machine, to have them make it clean.
Okay, and why do you think children today might be better at science than their parents?
Because I think children now can what more about technology and something like it. But the same age, their parents don't have money or something to what it.
Okay, so that's the end of your speaking test. Thank you, Harry.
Thank you.